and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print Precious Memories Full Bleed bookmarks. To start off, we'll select our product on the left-hand side. We'll make sure our layout is set to full bleed, and we'll click on the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the tutorials listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once your PDF file has generated, you'll want to make sure that you check both the front and back of the template to be sure that everything has uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printer settings. Starting at the top, we'll choose the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies we'd like to print. And we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of the paper, and we're going to flip on the short edge because it is a landscape template. On the right-hand side, you'll want to make sure that both the document and page size match in width and height. Next, we'll go into the advanced properties and make a few changes at the bottom. Our document size will be changed to the 8.5 by 14 legal page size that we saw on the previous page. Orientation will remain with landscape. We'll change our ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that the ink sticks onto the paper. At this point, you can register your current settings by naming your preset here and clicking OK. Once you do this, an icon will appear with your new preset. The next time that you go to print a product with these dimensions, you'll click on this preset and it will change them to the exact options that you have now. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.